You finally got to end.
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I think I do. I do it again. Got it this time.
Well, I got pulled over against that blue.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna make a run for it.
Hey, tell her go train on the flight so we can say we got a police escort.
They said they want a police escort. Hey, do you think it would freak him out if you would? Hey, do it. Would you do that?
What's that?
Act like you're gonna pull them over?
No, I won't be able to do that.
Aww.
No. You see how it says security right there?
Oh yeah.
Until the markings change, this is on Illinois property.
I see.
You gotta be real careful.
I think it's pretty cool. And I like the new signs too.
Did y'all order?
Huh? Yeah. We order all the time.
Hey, will y'all be careful too?
You too, sir.
It's wet, it's dangerous after knuckleheads driving cars.
Yeah. You have a nice day, sir. Cop for our guys.